Bless you. Alright, cool. I'm about to go to church anyway and get off of this live.
So there is a Baltimore native that you have there. She goes by the name of Chrisean Rock online, but her government is Chrisean Malone. And she is currently in the Baltimore area, and she's going to be doing her first, it's like a boxing match but professionally, against a female opponent there. And nationally right now, all over, I would say more so social media, her child, Chrisean Jr., that is also a Baltimore native, has been neglected constantly online.
Alright, so look, I got my checks or whatever. This is all Junior shit though. But the one that I really care most is the Social Security. The one that came from Social Security.
So, Chrisean is about to lose custody of her child, and it's all because of Blueface. Turns out, he called CPS on her after Junior was rushed in for emergency surgery. Apparently, Chrisean fed him spoiled food, which landed Junior in the hospital. Honestly, that isn't surprising because for the longest time, Chrisean has been called out for how she treats her son. Even Blueface spoke up about it multiple times. But Junior ending up in the hospital proved to be the final straw. It all started when Chrisean went live with her son, Christian Jr. At first, it seemed like a normal live stream, except Junior was coughing nonstop in the background. And no, this wasn't your average seasonal cough. Junior sounded like his lungs were drowning in water.
Like he's still coughing it up. Like a big boy though. Oh, like you got a mucus suction? Yes, I do.
You didn't even let me take you out to dinner. Hold on.
Now, most moms would have been seriously concerned, but Chrisean didn't seem to care at all. Instead, she continued her live stream like nothing was wrong. When fans mentioned it in the comments, she immediately went into defense mode, telling everyone to relax.
He is okay. Pray for his little cold to go away. What y'all want to see the medicine he take? No, none of your business. You feel me? Like y'all just overly doing too much on this live. Everybody that keep talking about the baby, he is fine. I already took him. Already got medicine. I take him back tomorrow. But they said it's normal because the flu shot, like you know how you get what's some things.
But Junior's cough told a completely different story. He was clearly struggling to breathe, and Chrisean was hoping a flu shot would somehow fix it. The worst part? It's not like she doesn't know when to see a doctor. Once, she even accidentally ate a decorative rose and rushed herself to care immediately.
Sorry, I had a sinus infection which created this big old problem for my asthma. Like lungs inflamed. I could barely walk to the bathroom. I just need treatment for my lungs, so that's...
The only person not getting proper medical attention here is Christian Jr. And honestly, that's not shocking. Christian has consistently neglected her son, treating him carelessly, even using him as a tissue to wipe her nose. In another video, she tossed him around like a rag doll, leaving fans horrified. This dangerous behavior raised serious alarms, which is why Sean Davies stepped in and reported Christian to the authorities. Junior's safety is clearly at risk, and someone had to take action.
Baltimore native that you have there, she goes by the name of Chrisean Rock online, but her government is Chrisean Malone. And she is currently in the Baltimore area, and she's going to be doing her first, it's like a boxing match but professionally, against a female opponent there. And nationally right now, all over, I would say more so social media, her child, Chrisean Jr., that is also a Baltimore native, has been neglected constantly.
Blueface, Jr.'s dad, has been speaking out for his son, confronting Christian about her parenting. In a recent interview, he criticized her approach and said it would be better to keep Junior away from the public spotlight, emphasizing his concern for the child's safety and well-being.
So his HIPAA was violated, but It does show all of the syndromes that he has and specialists that he needs to see. He also has a club foot.
Father to not know what's going on with the baby, because the baby is like, you know, Chrisean is not the most stable person, and you're not around to kind of, you know, kind of make sure the kid's in the best care. There was a lot of viral moments where she was on stream or left the kid outside. And
I mean, best I could do is insist and you know, advise. So my best advice for Chrisean was, hey, I don't think you should keep putting the baby out there.
To be fair, Blueface has been trying to sound the alarm about Chrisean's parenting skills since the moment Junior was born. A couple of years ago, he tweeted this: "I had a baby with a baby. SMH. It's my fault F or can't cap. I tried to get that, but she prayed for this stuff. And I don't care about Chrisean's feelings. My son is hurting every day, and she's acting like it's not a problem." He also said, "You had a baby on live, but you mad about the truth being live." Clearly, he blames Chrisean for his son's medical problems, and he's not exactly wrong. See, Junior's medical records got leaked a while back. One TikToker actually read through the documents and revealed that Blueface was right all along. Chrisean is not fit to be a parent. In fact, she may have messed up her kid. The first issue, like we all assumed, is that he does suffer from fetal alcohol syndrome. He also suffers from neonatal abstinence syndrome, which basically means drug withdrawal, and according to the records, it was from cocaine. He also suffers from spasticity, which would explain why he's almost 2 and cannot walk or barely move. If you notice, Chrisean always has him either in a stroller or carrying him. Spasticity is a neurological condition that causes abnormal muscle stiffness or tightness and makes movement difficult. But mind you, he's a baby times 10. He also suffers from seizure disorder and CVI, or cortical visual impairment, which occurs when a portion of the brain has been damaged, affecting how he interprets visual stimuli. This makes sense because fans have suspected something for a while. A video Chrisean posted of Junior crying uncontrollably was the first red flag. Fans felt it wasn't the cry of a normal baby. Some experts even concluded that Junior sounded like how someone with Cri-du-Chat syndrome would cry. For those who don't know, Cri-du-Chat syndrome is a rare genetic disorder caused by a partial deletion of the short arm of chromosome 5. Its name, meaning cat cry in French, refers to the characteristic high-pitched cry of affected children. Some fans also believe Junior is visually impaired, which matches the leaked medical report. One person uploaded a video with the caption, "Still laying on his back and pulling Chrisean's face for kisses because he is visually impaired. When is Chrisean going to get this boy help? He has no motor skills, is still acting like a 5-month-old, and is developing far behind his age." Medical experts also noticed that Junior has all the features of an FAS baby. Small head, small eye openings, low nasal bridge, flat midface, smooth cupid's bow, and thin upper lip. People are even using Junior as an example to teach students about fetal alcohol syndrome in class. As mentioned in the report, these are genuine medical problems that cannot be fixed by normal medicine. They need proper treatment. The big kicker is that with all these issues, Junior is supposed to be in palliative care, which is care designed to prolong life and make it more stable and durable. Without it, things will not go well. When people tell Chrisean she needs to get her son help, the worst part is that Junior's health problems stem